If you're a TOSHI holder, you are about to finally retire. If you're paying attention to what the TOSHI MACD indicator on the daily time frame is saying, the MACD indicator is about to do something very, very bullish. The MACD line, which is the blue line, is about to cross above the signal line, which is the orange line you're seeing right here. And if you're paying attention, the histogram is now currently about to flip green, which is going to begin to print a green histogram. The moment that is happening, I think it will be too late for whoever is yet to position aggressively into TOSHI. Now, in this video, we're going to be paying attention to the TOSHI price update as well, because something very, very important just happened on the TOSHI price chart. TOSHI is currently trading around 0.00081. And if you're, by the way, for those new to this channel, my name is Isaac. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. If you're here to like this video, please destroy the like button, smash the like button of this video. Now, if you're paying attention, TOSHI just finally flipped the 0.00075 zone into a support with a huge daily candle, bullish daily candle. Let's not forget that we are now in Q4 2025. Q4 historically is a very, very bullish quarter for the entire cryptocurrency market. Considering we are almost at the finish line for this market cycle, we are almost at the end of this market cycle. The market cycle is left with 4%, less than 4% to come to an end. And if you're paying attention to what the entire cryptocurrency fear and greed index market sentiment is saying, we are currently seated at 64%, indicating the entire market is now in a greed zone. Now, yesterday was 49, last week was fear, 44%. The market has recovered and is as a result of we entering into one of the most bullish phase of this market cycle. The bulls are now in control and they are about to begin to go crazy. Remember, I told you guys countless times in TOSHI videos that the moment we are flipping the 0.0075 zone into a support, I think that was on this chart, right? Let's even go back to the original chart. Yeah. The moment we are flipping it into a support, then it's going to be flipping it into a support, closing at least 3 daily bullish candle above this level. Is going to be game overs for the bears, like seriously. The bears, the TOSHI bears are going to be embarrassed. I think I got my third entry into TOSHI when it was around 0.00073. So I'm glad because I so much believe in this project. I've held this project for more than 2 years. I've been a TOSHI holder since 2023. I got my first entry into TOSHI when it was around $1.4 million market cap. I sold a little when we were on our way to $900 million market cap, and I'm still holding. I still recently, I think a few weeks ago, got more 2 entry into TOSHI. Congratulations if you got this exact entry I gave you guys between 0.00061 and also 0.00056. Congratulations. TOSHI is going to melt faces, and some of you watching this video right now would wish you had bought more before the aggressive move begins. That was what you guys said in one of my videos when I warned you guys to begin to position around this zone before this massive pump happened. I saw a comment in my TOSHI video. People were asking, oh, Isaac, can we enter again? When the next move begins, a lot of people are going to they are going to wish they had positioned, bought more TOSHI coin before the aggressive move begin. It's no longer news that this is the face of base ecosystem, the #1 OG on base ecosystem. So you know what that means. We are just going to talk about the BTC dominance and nothing more. I've tried my best possible to keep reminding you to bring these charts to you guys' attention for those that are confused. Now, last time BTC dominance dumped aggressively in 2017 market cycle, we had an aggressive altcoin rally, Now, same thing happened in 2021 when we had an aggressive altcoin rally when BTC dominance dumped aggressively to the bottom. And if you notice, the bottom is usually around the 39-40% level. Now, we are expecting that dump to happen very, very soon, which is likely to be this quarter 4. Today is 2nd of October 2025. We are just left with October, November, December. 3 months left. Now, the moment that aggressive dump begins, I'm going to update you guys on the Telegram channel of when to start scaling out massively from your altcoin positions. Like seriously. Because the moment the BTC dominance is approaching the 44% level and 42% level, I think it will be wise to start scaling out massively out of your position in order to avoid getting used as an exit liquidity by the market makers and the whales. Now, if you're paying attention to the BTC dominance monthly time frame MACD indicator, you would notice the last time the BTC dominance MACD line crossed below the signal line and also went below the zero line and also below the bearish histogram, the altcoin market skyrocketed aggressively. That was when we had the altcoin season in 2017. Now pay attention, same thing happened in 2020, 2021 market cycle as well. When the MACD line crossed below the signal line and also below the zero line and also below the red histogram, for the BTC dominance, the market skyrocketed, as you can see over here. When that happened, when that MACD line crossed below was when we got the aggressive dump to the downside. Now, if you're paying attention right now, we've printed 3 bearish histograms so far on the BTC dominance. We've printed 3 bearish histograms so far on the BTC dominance MACD indicator on the monthly time frame. And also, the MACD line has successfully crossed below the signal line, which is now indicating that we are now in an obvious earliest phase of the altcoin season. Now, the worst thing you would want to do is trying to time the exact entry or your exact exit. You might end up getting sidelined. The best thing to do is to enter once you've gotten confluence and confirmations like this. Because the market is clearly showing and clearly signaling that it is about to explode. Just like it did in 2021 when the BTC dominance dumped, and also 2017 when the BTC dominance dropped aggressively. If you are zooming into the MACD line, you clearly see that we've printed 3 histograms. Like I said earlier, the MACD line has crossed below the signal line. Next thing that is going to send us into the blow-up phase is when both the MACD line and the signal line crosses below the zero line and also below the red histogram. We are going to print more red histogram. More red histogram, the MACD indicator BTC dominance prints the more aggressive the altcoin market rally. As always, my name is Isaac. If you're yet to like this video, please destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Peace out.